Hi guys! Today I'm here with my new iPad drawing a pretty girl. I drew up some words which I wanted the character to embody, and then I decided what the shapes should have been. This of course was a bit tough because, as you will see, in the end it didn't look this way. Then I drew up some thumbnails for the composition. I did this because I was going by a Ross Trend video from his master classes, which are very great. I really enjoy them, and I also tried to draw outside the thumbnails to see which could just be expanded upon. I picked the one on the bottom right, and I tried to maximize the amount that the figure would take. I maximized the amount of space the figure would take. Then I was playing around with the silhouette. I was trying to see which would fit the best, which background and which would be the foreground, the middle ground and the background basically. Then I started to make some line art with the sketch so I could clean it up a little bit. However, I'm drawing for the first time on digital media, so I'm not exactly sure how to do anything yet. The program I'm using is from Adobe. It's called Adobe Fresco. It's really good, I like it. I wasn't sure how much detail I should go into, but I tried to specify where everything should be, and then I went ahead and changed everything. I tried to color the line art. I know it looks very messy, but I will go over it once more. I was picking colors that would suit the water-like nature of the character. I was trying to see if my face would fit in there. Then I was trying to put in some shadows and light. And then I realized I'm not really happy with how it's turning out. So I started to do the line art once more. This time I was trying to go very neatly. I will get there one day. It just takes a lot of practice. I was trying to just go over the line art again, and then I realized the proportions weren't the best, so I tried to adjust them a little bit. It's always important to keep the hair as one piece, so that you can specify where is the light and where are the shadows. After drawing this line art again, I started to put in some colors so I could see how it would look, but I decided that this still wasn't the right line art, so I started again from the beginning. I just adjusted some parts, made other parts totally different, but mostly I changed the hair and the position of the torso. Again, I had some trouble with the face. After a few tries, I just gave up and I used the reference so that I can trace the face, and then I learned how to do the face I wanted to. I'm always shuffling stuff around to see what is the best type of hand, the best type of face, the best type of color, and at this point I picked a hand straight from a video about hands from Ethan Becker. I think it was from a video about hands, yeah. I don't know, do you think I shouldn't have done that? Maybe. I think if it helps make some art, then like you can copy some little parts. Especially if you are just learning and you don't really profit from your art. Everybody copied the masters. I know it's different when you just trace over it and different when you make a copy. But it's everybody's opinion. Then I was trying to make the shadows and lights in the hair. I started to put in shadows to the body. It's always good to play around with colors, because I think it can make the image much better when you use unnatural colors. Maybe not always, but I really like this stage of the process. She's looking like from a comic book. When I added lights to her hair, I think it really popped. It's really nice to see like the whole picture coming together. I started to put in some backlighting. That's a great way to make your painting look really cool and more lifelike. Again, I was trying to see how to use the body color. This picture I just got on Google Images, and I really used like smallest part of it, just the dirt. So I'm not sure if anyone's going to be mad at it. Maybe. And then I used tree bark from a willow tree, just as background. It really gives a better image or better story. I was trying to add also some leaves to the front of the picture, but I decided not to because it was a little too distracting. At this point I felt we were missing something, like it was too bland. And then I added some warmer colors, warmer tones. That's what they always say, like use warm lights and cold shadows, or the opposite. Like it works very good. I was going over the body again with colors so that every part of the body can pop. I really enjoy the hard contrasts between the purple and the orange. It's always good to have a reference so that I can check like what I'm doing wrong. I added some pinks because pink is my favorite color. And I don't even know how the reflection in the lake happened. Like, it was such a cool coincidence. It just went with the feeling and voila. And then came the color dodge. It always looks so cool when people are doing it, and I wanted to have it on my painting as well. And lastly, I did all the highlights as the icing on the cake, and we're near the finish line. Ta-da! This is the finished product and I'm very happy with how it turned out. I surprised myself and looking forward to seeing you. Bye!